Welcome to my video. Today, we are showing top 5 best splicing machine in 2024. Hi guys, are you looking for the best splicing machine? If you received a new splicing machine, then you're in the right place. In this video we're going to review the top 5 best splicing machine on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading, reviews, and orders. Number 1. Signalize AI30 AI20K TSPL479 Optical Fiber. It is a versatile tool with advanced performance, 6 motors, and automatic core alignment. It supports SM and fibers, offers efficient operation with a 15-second heating time, and features built-in lighting for low light or night conditions, equipped with a 7800 mAh lithium battery. Number 2. Geelong Clay L520 Optical Fiber Fusion Splicer. The Clay L520 uses a high-precision fusion splicing method, ensuring optimal performance and reliability when connecting two fiber optic cables. This process minimizes splice loss, which is critical for maintaining signal integrity in high-speed networks. Number 3. Komshine Classic FX39 Optical Fiber Welding Machine. The FX39 employs state-of-the-art fusion splicing technology, which ensures precise fiber alignment and minimal splice loss. This is crucial for maintaining signal integrity and achieving the best performance from optical networks. Link on the description. Number 4. Komorganites A4 Optical Fiber Splicing Machine. The Komorganites A4 uses advanced fusion splicing technology that ensures a precise connection between optical fibers. This minimizes splice loss, which is crucial for maintaining high-performance fiber optic networks. Number 5. FTTH Fiber Optic Splicing Machine. FTTH splicing machines are typically designed to be compact and lightweight, making them portable and easy to use in both indoor and outdoor environments. This portability is essential for technicians working in homes, small businesses. Link on the description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.